if we have to go on like this for a long time, our economy may well suffer something, but I don't think it will destroy our economy, because we can still get outlets. The only way Gawan can succeed is if the entire world decides that the dictatorial regime of Gawan should be maintained. That is, that Gawan should be helped to impose himself on the 56 million people of the two countries of Nigeria and Biafra. If that is their wish, then perhaps by withdrawing their shipping, withdrawing recognition, by perhaps physical help, Gawan would succeed. Without this help, I don't think he has a chance of succeeding. Left alone, Gawan would not be in a position to even control his bodyguards. Now, I say this seriously, because since July, my poor friend has had to pay 5 guineas a night, 5 pounds a night rather, to his guards as a way of maintaining their loyalty. If the countries of the world were to wash their hands clean of this man, I think he would collapse himself certainly within 2 weeks. How heavy? I don't know. It is heavy, and I'm glad and I thank God that I'm carrying it.